Automata theory is a study of abstract machines and automata, as well the computational problems that can be solved using them. It's a theory that the theoretical computer science with close connection to mathematical logic. An automaton in automata plural, is an abstract, self-propelled computing device which follows the predetermined sequence of operation automatically. An automaton with a finite number of state is called as a finite automaton, which is FA, or finite state machine, which is FSM. The figure of the right illustrate is a finite state machine, which is well-known type of automaton. This automaton is consists of state represented in the figure by circles, and transition represented by arrows. As the automaton sees a symbol of input, it makes a transition represented by arrows. As the automaton sees symbol of input, it makes transition or jump to other state according in the transition function, which takes the previous state and current input symbol, its arguments. This is the example of automata theory, which is the automaton described in the state diagram in the state S1, and change the following arrows mark of 0 and 1. And according to input symbols, are they arrive, the double of circle mark S1 symbols as they arrive. The double circle as accepting state since all path from S1 to itself contain even number of arrows marked 0. This automaton accepts strings containing even number of zeros.